Tired of tedious phone calls and impersonal interactions? In today's video, we're diving into how Vapi Ai can completely transform your calling experience, enabling you to make automated calls and create personalized interactions that were never before fully achievable. So buckle up and let's get started to empower your outreach. First, you'll need to access the Vapi Ai platform. Head to the Vapi Ai website and enter your login credentials to enter the user interface. If you do not have an account already, you will need to set one up. After setting up an account, you can log in. Once you're in, you'll see the user dashboard, the central hub for managing your calls. This area offers an overview of your call history, analytics, and customization options to optimize your calling strategy. Now, let's populate your contact list. You can either manually add individual contacts or, for efficiency, import a list from a spreadsheet or CRM. This allows Vapi Ai to know who it will be connecting to. The next step is setting up your campaigns to fit your needs. Create a new call campaign and give it a descriptive name. This helps stay organized as you start to make automated and personalized calls. The main feature is customizing your call script within the campaign settings. You'll have the ability to write detailed call scripts. This is where you define what Vapi Ai will say during the calls. Finally, adjust your calling schedule. Vapi Ai allows you to set times and dates for your calls. Ensure the hours fit for each phone call. With Vapi Ai, you can manage and automate your call system. By using the system, you can ensure efficient outreach, improve customer service, and streamline your entire calling process. Embrace the future of communication with Vapi Ai.